Question 18. Given that 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is 4 to the power 16, what is the value of x? Now, if you said it was 4, you have fallen into this competition question setters trap. Using index laws, if they are multiplied together, then you would indeed add x plus x plus x plus x. 4x's equals 16, therefore x would be 4. This is not what we need to do for this question. We do need to use index laws, but first of all, we've got to understand what we're looking at here. This is one of something. The something happens to be the 4x. So we've got 4x here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. When we do, if we had a 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, we would end up with 4 of them. So we've got 4 lots of, we can convert an addition into a multiplication. 4 lots of this. This has actually got an invisible 1 here. 4 to the power 1 is the same as 4. We just don't write that 1. So we can simplify that using our index laws. We know that if we've got the same base and it's multiplied together, we can write that base and then we can write those indices added together. Now, we don't often do this, but we can now say, because whatever that number has to be is the same as 1 plus x. We subtract 1 from both sides. Therefore, x is 15, and 15 is answer E.